Is your business a service-based business that needs to schedule time on a daily or weekly basis with your clients? Then go no further. In this video, I'm talking all about Calendly and how it can eliminate the back and forth of trying to find the right day and time with your clients. It also eliminates the possibility of double or even triple booking yourself and then customer service nightmare that comes out of that. And it also allows you to decrease your no-shows by consistently sending out reminder emails at different intervals prior to an appointment. Hi, I'm Amy Fearman from Workflow Impact, and I help service-based solopreneurs simplify their businesses by implementing tech-based solutions so they can rediscover the joy in their business and scale. We all are looking for solutions when it comes to an online calendar scheduling app solution system. Every business is different and not every app makes sense for every business. In this video specifically, I'm going to talk about the 3 reasons that I absolutely love Calendly and why you will too. Number 1 is it gets rid of that back and forth communication. Whether it's via DM or email or a text message, the back and forth communication with your client does 2 things. 1, depending on how quickly you respond, it makes clients think that you are there and available at the drop of the hat. And it may be part of your business, but it may not be. And if that's not what you want to have your client seeing, then that's not have that constant back and forth from the beginning. So that's part 1. It also wastes a lot of your time going back and forth. Yes, it only takes a few minutes, a few seconds to draft an email and say, hey, here's my time. But it's the back and forth. Oh, those don't work for me. And you can go back 3 or 4 times before you find the actual date that works. Every time you have to stop what you're doing to respond is a break from your other client work that you could be doing. So let's say goodbye to time wasting back and forth emails and yes to a solution that saves you time every time a client books an appointment with you. Now, second, double and triple booking. It's a thing. It has happened. I've talked to clients who've done it. I've done it. It's frustrating not only for you, but for your clients. It makes for not great customer service conversation, especially if you're starting with a new client or you are talking to a potential lead. So let's eliminate that. The thing that I love about Calendly is it doesn't just have a one-way calendar. A lot of apps have the ability to set a certain block of time in your calendar. It says, this is where I'm available. And Calendly does that. You can set your times for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 2 until 6 p.m. You can do that. It goes out there. When they schedule, they can see that that's available. The problem is, if you add something to your calendar, for example, I have a vacation coming up. If I don't add that in or take that away from each appointment type, I might end up with an appointment during vacation. I'm not going to do that. That's not good for me. It takes away from my vacation time with my family. What I love about Calendly is it has a 2-way calendar. So if I add something and block myself off as busy for an entire week in July, it knows that. It realizes that. And so that when somebody goes to book those appointments, that whole week is blocked out for every single appointment type. I don't have to go back into each appointment type and constantly be updating that information. Hallelujah. It's amazing. And lastly, no-shows. Nobody's got time for that. We don't want to have to reschedule or chase people down. You want to make sure that people are showing up at their scheduled time. Now, we do understand that life happens, right? We've all been there. Life happened. You're supposed to get on with your coach in an hour and your kid falls and breaks their arm. I hope that you would contact your coach and let them know. Things like that happen. Life happens. But sometimes we just forget or we didn't get notified. I mean, who here remembers when their next dentist appointment is? It's scheduled 6 months in the future. If I don't get reminder emails or text messages to say, hey, your dental visit is coming up in 7 days, I can remember, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Making sure it's on my calendar to make sure that I show up at my scheduled time. Calendly allows you to send out emails at different intervals so that people are aware that they have an upcoming appointment with you. It's amazing. It's so worth the time and effort to set up Calendly. Even if you decide to go on the free program where you get one appointment just to test it out and see what it's like, you get one appointment type and you don't have all the bells and whistles. But if you're not ready to go there, test it out on the basic package and see what that looks like and to see how it can truly work for you. If you're interested in trying out Calendly, click the link below. I love Calendly so much because it is an amazing piece of time-saving software. I would love to know which of the 3 things I mentioned in this video are a major stuck point for you. Do you find that you have a lot of no-shows? Have you found that you double book yourself? Or do you still chase back and forth trying to find that right time? Let me know in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video so I can help you simplify your business so you can scale.